Hey guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. So today's video is going to be a lip balm video. I remember back in the time whenever I wanted to buy any product, I would search it on YouTube for reviews and stuff. And the first video was of Shreya Jain that I watched of Maybelline Baby Lips, and she did such an amazing job. And so when I was actually accumulating products for this video, I was thinking, keep बहुत टाइम हो गया. I don't even know if people really like watching these kind of videos anymore, but I find them super helpful and these are kind of OG videos really. So I just wanted to do the best lip balms of 2025. There could be more for sure, but these are the ones that I have tried and I love these thoroughly. Do let me know which is your favorite lip balm in the comment section below. I don't know the reason, but as days pass by, lips gets drier. It just could be me, or is it with everybody? Let me know that in the comment section below, because honestly for a lot of people including myself, lip balm is actually lifeline. Let's quickly get started with this one, Nivea. This is a brand new packet, but I've been using Nivea for I don't remember for how long. I don't know, I just love something about Nivea. It is a very light lip balm for the day, especially for the summer. For people who have really badly chapped lips, I think this will not do the magic for them. But for every day-to-day wear for moderate dry lips, I think in the summers Nivea is the one that you should go for. I always go for the cherry one because not only does it give a very nice shine, but it gives a very beautiful, pink tint which looks really pretty during the daytime. So I just love Nivea. I don't even remember how many of these bottles or packagings or tubes I have used. Like, love Nivea, especially the cherry one. Moving on to the classic. Who does not like this one? I'm currently using this one. I got two of these from Amazon. This is like my holy grail. Like, baby lips you have to have. Even though nowadays like market is flooded with a lot of lip balms, but who can deny the magic of baby lips? I remember back in the time, I think I used all of the baby lips, and I used to basically buy them for the tint because I never really wore lipstick that much. I got Berry Crush this time. This gives a bit of an orangish coral kind of a tint on the lips. This is the lip balm that I'm wearing underneath my lipstick today. It's a liquid lipstick, so I thought this will be a good one. It's slightly thick, it's more moisturizing, it is much more nourishing. It is much more, baby lips is much more thicker than the Nivea one, but Nivea one is like very easy to glide on and you just can keep on reapplying it. So even with time, Maybelline Baby Lips has not lost its charm. Moving on to another one, I've kept the packaging of this one. This is Forest Essentials. I really got this particular lip balm because of the reviews. 1, 2 packaging. I'll show you in a bit. This is a lip balm which is made out of sugared rose petal with organic beeswax. This is 4 grams of product and this is priced at rupees 850, and this is how it comes. It's so beautiful. It feels like a jewel box or a jewel case or something. It's just so gorgeous. It's a very nice lip balm slash slight bit of a lip oil as well. If you can see, it has a bit of a pink tint and you have to use your fingers to apply it, and it also comes with a very good quality mirror. So that's something I really like. I would highly recommend if you have the budget for it and if you want something more luxe, something more like delicious and something that you can really show off from your bag, this is the one you can go for. Forest Essentials. It is a super cute packaging and the lip balm is really good and smells really nice. My god, it smells really good. Smells really nice. It smells like a 5-star hotel's lobby, honestly. It smells of actual rose oil. It is such a luxurious lip balm, I can't even begin to tell you. Moving on to another one, and I think it's everybody's favorite, is this one. This is Laneige lip balm. Like, of course, if you have really dry lips and if you want lip therapy, you should go for this one. This is Lip Glowy lip balm and it is the Berry Fruits Rouge one. This is also, I think, priced at rupees 750. No, this is priced at 850 and this is for 750. This is very thick, like real thick lip balm. It's a very thick lip balm and it's kind of, when you apply it, you know something is on your lips. This is a very good lip balm, especially for the nighttime. During your nighttime routine, you can apply it. It's very thick. It's very moisturizing. It's going to keep your lips really supple, in the morning when you wake up. It's a very good lip balm. I would highly recommend it if you have really dry lips. Like, I just love Laneige lip balm, and I got this one. This is also Laneige, and this is lip sleeping mask. I'm sure you must have heard of it. It is actually for the night time, so when you're going to bed and you have really dry lips, you can apply this one, you know, like a mask on your lips and go to bed and wake up with really juicy, moisturized, hydrated, you know, plump lips. This is really good, like very, very good. It's again very thick. It is very thick and it is very sticky as well. It's not going to give you any tint or something, but of course I use it during the day as well. It is a good packaging, very convenient, very lightweight. This one I think is priced at rupees 600 rupees. Yeah, this is priced at rupees 600. I would highly recommend Laneige lip balms. Very, very nice lip balm. One lip balm that I really swear by is this one, and I'm sure you must have seen it in my favorites and everywhere on my channel, is the Derma Co lip balm. This is I think 1% vitamin C brightening lip balm for dark and pigmented lips. It has vitamin C, niacinamide, hyaluronic acid and everything. I don't know if it does anything with the you know, pigmentation of the lips, because I do have pigmented lips and it does not, it hasn't done anything, you know, for the pigmentation as such, because I have used it like for over a year now. Yeah, this is my backup lip balm. You know, this is that kind of a lip balm which one has to have. Like, I always have it, and this is very thick. Like, if you don't want to buy something as expensive as Laneige or Forest Essential, you can go for this one. This is for around 300 rupees, and it is very, very thick, very rich, very moisturizing, and it is a good, nice medicated lip balm. I think it does not give any brightness or something. I have not noticed that, honestly. The work that a lip balm is supposed to do, this one actually does it very thoroughly. So I would highly recommend Derma Co lip balm. Like, if you've been watching this channel, you know this is a very good lip balm. Next one is this one. This is Indie Wild. This is Dewy Lip Treatment. It has 2% vegan butter, and this is priced at rupees 799. It comes in this kind of a tube packaging, and you just have to squeeze it and apply it on your lips, or you can directly apply it. I like to take it on my finger and apply it because I think that way it is much more kind of hygienic. But this is also very, very good. It's sort of it is just a simple transparent lip balm. It's not going to give you any color or a tint or something, but again, this is very thick, slightly sticky, but not as sticky as the Laneige lip sleeping mask. This is slightly lighter than the Laneige lip balm, but it actually keeps the lips really juicy for a very long time. You really don't have to reapply it as often, and it has, you know, small shimmer particles. I'm not going to call it glitter particles because it's not chunky. It's not just bam in your face. It is very small shimmer particles. So that's why I think it is called as Dewy Lip Treatment. It just gives a very nice sheen on the lips. It's very, very nice. Indie Wild, definitely try their products. I think Indie Wild is doing some amazing job with their products. Moving on to another lip balm, Minimalist. Who doesn't like Minimalist? As a brand, they make very clean products. I really like their lip balm. This is lip treatment balm with radiant skin, vitamin E, glycerine. It treats pigmented dark lips, and it doesn't really do that. I have never found any lip balm that actually does anything with the treatment. No, that does anything with pigmented lips. Pigmented lips. My top lip is pigmented. I'm really, really looking forward to one product that actually does something for the pigmented lips, and this one sadly doesn't do that, but it is again a very nice lip balm. But again, this is again a very nice lip balm. This is like Vaseline in a tube. It does not have any fragrance or anything, but just, you know, with no fragrance also, it has a fragrance which I don't really like, but it does the job really well. This is not going to give you any pigment or something. It's a plain, simple lip balm, but it is a very good lip balm to keep your lips juicy and hydrated, and will make your lips look as if you drink a lot of water. Like, very, very hydrated lips. Very nice lip balm, Minimalist. Moving on to the last but not the least is this one. This is Dot & Key's lip balm, and while I was studying some of the lip balms for this video, I really did not feel that Dot & Key will make it, but honestly, Dot & Key is killing it. I really like their sunscreen, I really like their moisturizers, I really like their face wash, and products have really grown on me. And next in the line is this one. This is Dot & Key, and this is Cherry Crimson. There's something with cherry, the color cherry, that I love in my lip balms. It does give a bit of a color. Can you see? It gives a really nice tint. It does give a bit of a tint to the lips, and it's very beautiful. If okay, I'm going to tell you this. If Nivea if Nivea and Maybelline Baby Lips were to have a baby, it's going to be Dot and Key. So it is not as light but not as thick as this one probably, and gives a better pigmentation and stays on the lips for a little while longer than probably both of these. In my opinion, I think Dot and Key's lip balm is really good. I think it is really killing it. It's very beautiful, and you really do not need a lipstick. If you're a light lipstick wearer, you would love this lip balm just on its own. So guys, with that I come to an end of this video. Do let me know which is your favorite lip balm in the comment section below, and I would definitely try it out. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video very soon. Till then, take very good care of yourself, and I love you all so much. Bye guys. Bye.